Cars need gears. Gears help cars go faster and slower. They also help cars go up and down hills. Understanding gears helps you be a better driver. Think of riding a bike. You use different gears to pedal up hills or go fast on flat ground. Cars are similar. They use gears to adjust to different driving conditions. Manual cars have a clutch pedal and a gear stick. The clutch disconnects the engine from the wheels. This lets you change gears. The gear stick selects the gear you want. To change gears, you press the clutch pedal. Then, you move the gear stick to the desired gear. Finally, you slowly release the clutch pedal. Automatic cars don't have a clutch pedal. They change gears automatically. This makes driving easier, especially in traffic. The car's computer decides when to shift gears. You simply put the car in drive and press the gas pedal. The car will shift gears as needed. Some automatic cars have a sport mode for faster acceleration. Imagine driving up a steep hill. In a manual car, you would downshift to a lower gear for more power. In an automatic car, the car would downshift automatically. When you want to go faster, you upshift to a higher gear. This allows the engine to spin slower at higher speeds, saving fuel. Remember, gears are essential for a car's performance. Whether you drive a manual or automatic, understanding how gears work makes you a more knowledgeable and confident driver.